A Thing Called Snow. Written by Yuval Zommer. Fox and Hare were born in the spring, grew up in the summer, and were best of friends by autumn. Fox liked to jump, leap, and bounce, and was very good at sniffing faraway things. Hare liked to bounce, leap, and jump, and was very good at hearing faraway things. Then, one day, Fox's nose twitched. Hare's ears pricked up. "Winter is on its way," said Bird. "Soon you will be able to jump, leap, and bounce in this thing called snow." But what exactly was snow? Before they could find out, Bird had flown away. They decided to venture into the great forest to ask Bear. "What is snow like?" they said. "Snow is white like your fur," said Bear. So they thanked Bear and set off looking for something as white as their fur. At the forest's edge, they found Caribou, who was nibbling something white among the grasses. "Excuse me," said Hare, "is that snow?" "No, these are flowers," said Caribou. "Snow is cold like your noses." So they thanked Caribou and bounded across the meadow looking for something as cold as their noses. "Hello there," called Fox. "Is that snow?" So they followed the stream, searching for something as fluffy as their tails. Round a rocky bend, they found Salmon, leaping through an icy stream, flashing bright. "No, this is spray," said Salmon. "Snow is fluffy like your tails." Hare heard a honk and looked up at the great sky. "Is that snow?" he called to Goose, who was flying overhead. "No, these are clouds," said Goose. "Snow is sparkly like your eyes." Fox and Hare were now getting too tired and cold to search for this thing called snow, and it was starting to get dark. So they stopped by the edge of a lake. The inky water shimmered with something sparkly. "Snow?" whispered Fox. "Stars," yawned Hare, which means it's our bedtime. But they were too far away to get home before dark. "Let's stay here tonight," said Fox. "We'll find our way back in the morning." And she wrapped her thick tail around them both. Curled up for warmth, Fox and Hare soon fell asleep. They didn't see the white, cold, fluffy, sparkly flakes that started to fall softly from the sky. They didn't hear Bear and Caribou crunch through the snow looking for them. Hare and Fox woke up to a bright white morning like no other. "Hello, snow! Hello, snow! Hello, snow!" they squealed. "Hello, Bear! Hello, Caribou!" they yelped as they tumbled and rolled in the whitest, coldest, fluffiest, sparkliest snow. "We're so glad we found you," said Bear. "We were worried you were lost." "Now let's find our way home," said Caribou. "Follow us," said Hare and Fox, who remembered every step they had taken around the lake, across the meadow, along the stream, through the forest, looking for a thing called snow.